Hi, so today we're going to be doing some maintenance cleaning of our thermoreset printer. So this is our thermal printer cleaning pan. It uses an isopropyl alcohol to remove any ink mark on our print head. So this is what we use to blow away some dust that is trapped in between the printer. So now I'm going to show you how to remove some dust that is trapped in the print head. Accumulated dust could lead to improper printing, so it's better we suggest to do this maybe at least once a month. So now we're going to use the thermal cleaning pan to wipe our print head. This is to remove any excess ink that is left in the print head. There, we're done.